Elon Musk and SpaceX is consistently developing their new rocket Starship. And Elon Musk believes that when the Starship will be ready for human spaceflight, it will able to transport around 1,000 passengers from one point to another point on Earth at the same time. What's inside the giant shiny rocket which will transport such a large number of passengers at the same time? The Starship system is a fully reusable super heavy launch vehicle which is under development by SpaceX since 2012. The Starship system is composed of a booster stage named Super Heavy Booster and Starship spacecraft. This 120-meter tall Starship system will able to transport more than 100 tons of payload to Earth's orbit or even up to 200 tons of payload with refueling. Now we will focus more on Starship spacecraft. The Starship spacecraft is 50-meter tall with a diameter of 9 meter. The prototypes of Starship from SN8 to SN11 exploded during their high-altitude test flight, except SN10 and which was exploded after its landing. But on May 5, 2021 Starship SN15 completed its test flight, successfully landed with no explosions and was recovered for its second flight. It was equipped with 3 Raptor engines, but when SpaceX will mass-produce Starship and Raptor engines, Starship will be equipped with 6 Raptor engines. The Raptor engine is powered by subcooled liquid methane and subcooled liquid oxygen in a full flow stage compression cycle. The Raptor engine is designed for the use of deep cryogenic propellants. The use of subcooled propellants increases propellant density, increases engine performance and allowing more propellant to be stored within the Starship's propellant tanks. The Raptor engine has more than twice the thrust of SpaceX's Merlin engine that powers Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy. And once Starship will be fully developed, SpaceX will use it for long-duration spaceflight to outer space beyond the Earth-Moon system, for sending the space tourist to space, for transportation as cargo and passenger transports, for long-duration flight to the other planets of the solar system, for NASA's Artemis program lunar lander and for deploying Starlink satellites. Before moving further, please make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of new videos from the channel. Starship is made up of stainless steel, that's why Starship looks shiny. There are a number of benefits using stainless steel for Starship. Elon said stainless steel is cheap and fast for production of Starships. Carbon fiber cost about $135 per kilogram, but the true cost of carbon fiber is actually $200 per kilogram, as 35% of it is wasted in manufacturing processes. Compare that to just $3 per kilogram for stainless steel. That's why a single Starship spacecraft cost even less than $5 million to manufacture. The popular YouTuber Tim Dodd, better known as the Everyday Astronaut, also explained the benefits of using stainless steel. He said stainless steel is easy to repair as it could be repaired with just welder, which is not easy when dealing with carbon fiber composites, which saves cost of refurbishment and could be repaired on Moon and Mars. Stainless steel has more benefits such as high melting point, which is more than 800 degrees Celsius or 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Elon said, usable strength for weight of full hard stainless at cryo is slightly better than carbon fiber. Room temperature is worse. High temperature is vastly better. To be clear, I am confident that a stainless steel ship will be lighter than advanced aluminium or carbon fiber because of strength to weight versus temperature and reduced the need for heat shielding. Starship used cryogenic methane and oxygen as propellant. But why Elon Musk choose methane instead of using RP1 kerosene or hydrogen? Because methane is very cheap in comparison with kerosene and hydrogen. And SpaceX can even produce methane on Mars, by using its atmosphere's carbon dioxide and water, from poles. On top section of Starship is payload compartment. What inside payload compartment is depend on which type of Starship SpaceX is using. If it's cargo Starship, there is nothing except cargo. If they are using Earth-to-Earth transportation Starship, there is only couch, as Elon said the number of passengers will be around 1,000, as all would be couch and no toilet, pilot area or foot galley needed. Most flight would be only 15 to 20 minutes. It's basically an ICBM traveling at Mach 25 that lands. If they are using Crew Starship, which will go to Mars, the payload compartment will consist of common area, storage space, passenger cabins, a gym, and Tesla battery packs for energy storage, as Mars trip is the mission of 6 months. And if it's Starship human landing system for Moon, then there will be computers and communication system included with crew cabins. And if SpaceX use Starship for space tourists, which will pay them millions of dollars, SpaceX will build luxury cabins and huge windows, so that their customers can take the nice view of Earth or Moon from space. SpaceX can also use Starship as a space hotel because of its large volume. They can provide services such as restaurants, sport activities in microgravity and movie theater in Starship. They can also deploy solar panels on Starship to generate electricity for their customers who will spend longer period of time in the Starship hotel. They can even expand the Starship hotel by connecting multiple starships. So this is how Starship will look from inside. Hope you enjoy my video. Like the video, comment your views about the video, share this video to support my channel and subscribe for more videos.